Hello students, today we will be going over H1.1, Introduction to Vectors. This is in the end of your pink packet. Our objective, I can draw vector quantities, use vector notation, and give component form. There's a YouTube video there you can watch later. Let's go right into our vocabulary. A vector is a quantity that has both magnitude or length and direction. It is represented by a directed segment. So if you watched Despicable Me, it talks about vector being both magnitude and direction, okay? So here's some different ways that we name a vector. AB with like a half arrow on the B side. Vector with initial point A and terminal point B, okay? So for some reason they have the tail be in the beginning and the head be in the end, which seems weird to me. So I'll just call it initial point and terminal point. It can also be an italicized V with an arrow, a full-grown arrow there, whereas this feels like it's only half an arrow. And then also a bolded V or bolded letter can also mean vector. So a vector can be drawn anywhere in the coordinate plane. A vector with its initial point at the origin is in standard position. So this one right here, standard position. Vectors are given in component form, which is this V, where it has angle brackets rather than parentheses. So vectors are given in component form, where the vector equals -3 for our x and 4 for our y, which means it's going to go 3 left and 4 up. So again, this one's named 3, 4 because you go left 3 and up 4. Component form gives the x and y distances from the terminal point to initial point of the directed segment. Component form is written as an ordered pair inside angle brackets. So here it says identify as a point or vector. It's a point, so we just put the point on there. This because it's parentheses. Here it's angle brackets, so we know it's a vector. We're going to have it in standard position, so it starts the initial point is right at the origin, and it goes out to -3, so left 3 and up 4, okay? Same with 3, 4, and 5 down there, which I don't think you can see all that well, but we're going to go on to the next part, which I believe H-5. We're going to skip that because all the answers are written in, and we're going to go to H-6 in the pink packet. Okay, so now we're going to back it up just a little bit. Hopefully you can see everything there now. Okay. Okay, so number 13 on that, you have to say whether it's a point or a vector. So we just look and it has angle brackets, so we know it's a vector. And we are going to go ahead and mark vector. Start at the origin, go -2 and 4. There you go. And you're done. See how easy that was? Now, -3, 3, is that a point or a vector? That's a point. It's got parentheses, so -3, 3. And you're done. And then 15 over here is a vector. We go from 0, 0 to -3, -4. And we're done. Okay? We're going to continue on. And it says write in component form. Number 19. Kind of difficult to see there because of the light, okay? So what it means is we're going to figure out the change in x change in y. Okay, so if it goes right, it's positive. If it goes left, it's negative. This one, change in y, if it goes up, it's positive, and if it goes down, it's negative. Okay, so we're going to start here, and we're going to go across. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's to the right, so that's angle brackets. This is component form. We're going to go right 7, and it's up, so we also know it's positive. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're done. Okay, the next one, we're going left, so we know it has to be negative. 1, 2, 3, so it's left 3, and it's down, so that's going to be negative. How far down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're done. Okay, go ahead and finish the rest of this page. Good luck, students. You rock.